So a really quick Trading 212 update. I was just trolling around on the Trading 212 app like I always do, and I've noticed a new menu that we are lucky to get in the UK. Here we have the Trading 212 Cash ISA. It's finally here for all you Trading 212 investors. Now, if you would like to sign up to Trading 212 and receive a free share, use the link in my description down below. And if you've signed up recently and haven't received a free share, use my promo code JUBAIR and you should receive a free share. So if we go into this new menu called Trading 212 Cash ISA, we can see this brand new section of the app which we've never seen before. It's got a nice look to it. I've already made a video explaining more about this Cash ISA. Of course, you can see that my current year's tax ISA allowance is maxed out, so I am using 20,000 out of 20,000 of that, so I can't actually use this Cash ISA at this point in time anyway. You can also, it seems, transfer into your ISAs for free, and so this button should be working. I have some comments down below saying it's not working. Hopefully that works for you. So with this new Cash ISA account, you can see there are a few buttons down here. First is the home screen, which gives you an overview of how much cash you've put in. Now remember, you can only put in cash with this ISA. This is not a stocks and shares ISA, so it's nice and simple. Whatever cash you put in, you'll get a certain interest rate, and this interest rate is of course variable. At the time of filming right today, it is 5.2% as an annual equivalent rate. Of course, when the Bank of England starts reducing rates, this will come down quite quickly. We can also see a piggy bank icon here, and in it you'll be able to see the history of the amount that you've earned for your Cash ISA. Here again we can see it is currently 5.2%. For those who regularly watch this channel, you will know that we can already get 5.2% on our Trading 212 Invest account and our Trading 212 ISA account. However, the difference here is that your money is not put into qualifying money market funds, and it is fully FSCS compliant or FSCS backed, which means that per Trading 212 account, your money will be protected up to £85,000. You can also see this other button here. Now this will be your portfolio transfers. You can have your incoming and outgoing here. Under incoming, we can see that you can transfer a portfolio from another broker. So these are automatic and paperless, and these are free. So Trading 212 does not currently actually charge for these. You can also have an outgoing, which is probably something that Trading 212 doesn't want to advertise too much, but you can of course transfer out your holdings to another broker. And the last little menu here is the communities that have been around for quite a while. Now, if we click this button over here, Trading 212 Cash ISA, we can go into Trading 212 Stocks and Shares ISA here. And what I wanted to show you was this new notification that I've just received. And it says that flexible ISAs are now here. You can see automatically today, Trading 212 has updated my ISA. And it says that my Trading 212 ISA is now flexible, which is absolutely great news to a lot of people. This means that I can withdraw any amount and deposit it back within the same tax year without it affecting my £20,000 per year allowance. So as you can see from here, with my Trading 212 Stocks and Shares ISA, this is not my Trading 212 Cash ISA like it is here. I currently have a 100% utilization of my current tax year's allowance, which means now if I want to take out, let's say £10,000 because I had an emergency, as long as I put that £10,000 back into my Trading 212 Stocks and Shares ISA, this will not affect my allowance. Previously, with most Stocks and Shares ISAs, if you take out any money, this comes out of your tax year's ISA allowance, meaning that you have to wait till the next year to actually refill your account. Now with a flexible ISA, we can take out what we want, and then as long as we put that back in the same tax year, we can have fun arranging our money just the way we want it to. So make sure to check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video.